Hi, it's me, Face, and I'm making different kinds of sounds. Listen. Ding.
Dong.
Now let's go see what kind of sounds Allegra has in her sound jar today. Here are Nick Jr.
Sweet sound jars. Hey, Reed.
Oh, hey, Allegra.
Hi. Hey, what kind of sounds are we going to collect in our sound jars today?
I don't know, Allegra. Let's think.
Okay, let's see.
Oh, I know.
what,
we could look for sounds that.
Sounds that,
That's not right.
no.
Oh, I got it.
What?
We could collect sounds that.
That,
Oh, that's not it either.
Yowza! Whoa, me, yowza!
Yowza! Bells!
Bells?
Yeah, let's collect bell sounds. You know, like your alarm clock, Riff, it's got a really loud bell.
Yeah, tell me about it, man.
Well, there are bell sounds all over the place. What do you say we go find some?
Yeah!
Perfecto idea.
All right, grab a sound jar and let's go.
Oh boy,
Alrighty then.
I'll take the green one. I want to sing about things that ring.
I want to sing a song about things that go ding-dong.
Listen all around to the ting-a-ling sound.
Well, does that ring a bell? Does that ring a bell? Does that ring a bell? Well, does that ring a bell?
That rings the bell.
Hey, that rings a bell.
Ding-a-ling-ling.
Yeah.